Hi, welcome to week 10 of classroom assessment. Thank you to those of you who were able to join us in our live class. Last Thursday at 12:30, we will be meeting a few more times throughout the semester, so I hope that you'll be able to join us. During those brief class times, we will just be highlighting some important things that you need to know about for upcoming assignments or over course content, in addition to taking quizzes. So be sure that you're present for those so that you can participate, take your quizzes, and get some feedback on what you've been learning independently. So I hope that everyone's continuing to do well and adjust as needed now that you're working from home. And we have gone completely online. If you were in class, I talked about this, but just to show you once again, if you go to the Read Me First tab in our D2L class and scroll down, I have posted an updated course schedule for everything online the rest of the semester. It just starts last week. And goes through the end of the semester. So be sure to print that out or save it or just make note of it in your planner so that you can stay up to date with things that are due. So you'll see that this week we're going to be talking about chapter 11, which kind of jumps us to the next part of the book, since we just covered chapters 3, 4, and 5. So in chapter 11, you're going to be learning about teachers' assessments and what to do when you look at the data that you have from students' grades. So first, be sure that you read through the textbook, read through chapter 11 really thoroughly. You can watch the video lectures that I've recorded here. These are the notes that correspond to the lectures. And then you'll be completing activity 4. So it's important that to complete this, you read through the chapter first. What I'm going to be doing for you is providing you with 5 different pieces of data from your from an assessment, let's say. So be sure that you go back through pages 262 to 268. Because I want you to be able to use the language that's described there, like the different indices and the information that's contained in the tables. So be sure that you understand that thoroughly. If you have questions about that, then you can post it in the class discussion board or come to my virtual office hours and ask for help if you need questions or if you have questions while working on this or before working on this assignment. So be sure that you, for each item presented here, you can do this on a Word document or a Google Doc, just so that you upload your responses for each item somewhere to post in the Dropbox. But you'll look at each item, and first you're going to create a paragraph, describe problems. Be sure that you discuss the row, what this D means, whether it's good or bad. The asterisk indicates the correct item, why, if students omitted it, what was good, what was bad about this particular item, based on the different things that are noted in the textbook on those pages. And then provide some type of explanation about whether you should keep the item, get rid of the item, or possibly just make changes to the item. So be sure that you do a paragraph for each one of these. It needs to be, about 75 to 100 words for each, and then you'll upload that to the Dropbox for activity 4. So if you have questions while you're working on this, please be sure to let me know. Once again, in communication, you can click on the class discussion board. I think you have classmates who've posted there before, so you can post questions there that I can answer, or come to my virtual office hours. Just let me know if you need help of any kind. Hope that you have a good week, and I look forward to hearing from you.